Okay, hey guys, it's Adam here. So this is going to be our first look at the mixer and the computer and the software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just play two tunes on track one, deck A, deck one, whatever you like to call it, and deck B, A and B. So we're going to play two tunes here. They mix together really well, and then I'm going to, so you can hear them both. Then I'm going to do a mix. I'm going to show you this, the most important button here. You can see this is the crossfader. And this is really the slider that decides how much volume on this side and how much volume on this side. So I'm just going to do it, and then I'll talk you through the detail of it. So we're going to get going. So we're going to start on this side, so put the crossfader on this side, and we're going to press play. And I'll talk through all these dials in a sec. Let's just get things going. Too loud perhaps. Okay. So, let me see my computer here. So this channel is what's playing now. We have the crossfader over onto this side. And what we're going to do, we're going to mix it into this tune. We're going to use the display on the laptop to match the note. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a real simple mix, probably the most basic way to mix, and that's really all around these two dials here. So to explain this a little bit, here's your crossfade. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Each one of these is a channel. The two in the middle, 1 and 2, and we can adapt to it. Then as we go up, this is your filter, Daft Punk style, right? Filter, bass. Okay, mid-range vocal. Okay, treble, trim. This gives you a bit of a takes on the sound of it. So, trim, treble, mid-range, bass, filter. All sorts of there's a whole load of other things this does, but most mixers will have, every mixer will have your channels, 1 and 2, or in this case 4, your crossfader, and then some sort of adjustment for tone, bass, treble. Okay, and then you can go way beyond this. Turn the trim up. Okay, so now I'm going to get this song ready now to do that. What I'll do is I'll turn the bass down on the track coming in, okay, and I'll have the crossfader just a little bit over onto this side, so it'll come in more smoothly. It won't sort of crash in. Now, with computer technology, we can sync, we can get it to snap to the beat quite quick, but this is just a way to, not guarantee, but just give yourself a soft initial start to the tune, and then you've probably seen the DJs so what you do, as you mix the tune, you're going to adjust the bass, less on the side coming out and more on the side coming in. You've probably seen the DJs do that. That's all there is to it. Bass down on the track coming in, that's really it. So let's go and do what I've just been saying. Let's line this up. So, okay, I'll tell you more about it later. I'm going to push this along a bit so it's got me here. Oh, here we go. So that's the beginning in, exit now. There we go. It's coming across now, so bringing more across. Now I'm going to start bringing the bass up here, can you see? So start bringing that bass down. The software does a load of stuff for us, we don't care. We don't want to spend the whole night beating that shit. So then bring it out. Now there's a whole gazillion things you can do. That was a basic mix. Bass down on the track coming in, to bring it in nice and gently. Then bring it up, bass down on the track going out.